As with a lot of smartphones out there, there is also an ultra version of a boombox. So the Yeahbox is pretty cool speaker. It has a lot of functionality. It has a very cool light show, but also in all these combinations, it has a pretty solid audio output out of the box. And yes, you can use an app with custom EQ, and it does have a bass boost mode, but I actually like the audio out of the box very well. I would say I like it about 90% of all the time I try to play music on the speaker. And it's really big surprise for me for a China speaker from this kind of little bit of a bulk brand, because this one's also being sold on the other names. They've done a pretty well job on the tuning. Of course, it has this big racetrack oval driver beneath the fabric cover, like we have already seen on the internet. But also the overall controls on top are pretty nicely done. It has this like volume slider in the middle, the mode button, the like multi-true wireless stereo button, EQ button, bass boost. But again, I don't really like the bass boost on the speaker. And also play pause, skip a song or go back to the previous song, and a power on, power off button, which also doing the light shows on the switching. So the overall experience with the speaker is solid. And it really is like a boombox from JBL, but then like on extreme mode. It's much more powerful, it is also bigger, but also it even has an HDMI ARC input for, let's say, connected to your TV. So they really did do a lot of serious things on this speaker. The only complaint that I could really give on this build quality is that the handle has maybe a little bit too much flex on the sides for me personally. I think it should be a little bit more stronger, also maybe a little bit thicker material. But the overall experience with the rest of the build quality is a lot better than the other speakers that are lower priced. And even this like volume knob, it's not metal, but it is really nicely done with high material of plastics. So on the rear, of course, we have all those ports. Again, it is a pretty heavy speaker. And yes, it has this HDMI ARC. It has, of course, the mic inputs, but also like auxiliary. You can even like use OTG updates if you need to. And I do think there's one misleading thing about the speaker is that it has a peak power of 500 watts. Because, of course, you can use it on its peak power, but then it's pretty noisy on the max volume. So I would say if you use the speaker under, let's say, the 80% volume, so the 89% volume, it is a decent sound performance. You don't have too much issues with the sound, and the overall experience is pretty solid as well. I just think that one thing where the speaker really could be improved is that the overall experience on the midtones could be a little bit more refined. And even if you use a custom EQ or different EQ, the sound performance is still, I would say, solid, but on many speakers, the midtones are falling behind, and on this speaker I have the tendency that they are a little bit too much there, sometimes. But that's really critical looking at the sound. So without further ado, here are a few audio samples. Again, this is more of a first impression video. I will focus more later on the app and everything else. But we'll first start with the normal EQ settings. And I do have a few sound samples on the bass mode. Again, the bass mode, it is there, but it does kill off a lot of the other frequencies. And this speaker, it doesn't even need the bass mode because on its own, the bass is already strong enough for its size. So this is also the first video I will test out with this camera in a microphone setup. So I do try my best to get the microphone setup as good as possible, but it can be that the recording is not as high quality yet as I want it to be. But again, we are all here to reinvent the whole situation. So let's go to the speaker first.
Two-stepping strut, shoes on stone, market smoke on my clothes. I stay low, but I know every face in the song. Hear that hush in the drum line. One more move and it's your time. Hold your ground, let it roll now. When I call, we go bold now. Cool showdown, cool showdown. We run this block. Cool showdown, cool showdown, cool showdown. Tell me who you see when I turn around. From the rise by the curbside. Cold chain cold, but the hard ride. Old man green kiss bounce back. Night so deep, but we spark that. Taylor shot with the door crack. Bass in the feet make the floor clap. Hear the hush in the drum line. One more move and it's showtime. Hold your ground, let it roll now. When I call, we go bold now. Cool showtime, cool showtime.
Break, turn it up, watch it fly, buzzing through the sky. Bumblebee bass bounce, bumblebee bass bounce. Extra bass, make the ground talk loud. Bumblebee bass bounce, bumblebee bass bounce. Yellow on the move and the whole crowd proud. Bumblebee bass, bang bang, bang bang, bang. Bumblebee bass, bang bang, bang. Bumblebee bass. He got that city crawl with the hero's grin, tight little chassis, but the power deep within. Backseat full of static, front grill full of shine. Every time he locks in, he can bend time. Snap to the right when the danger shows. Quick flip, quick drift, then the thunder rolls. He's the spark in the jam, he's the kick in the room. Fresh like a new wave, cutting right through the fume. Turn it up, let it shake, let it shake, let it shake. Little bop, big break. Turn it up, watch him fly, buzzing through the sky. Bumblebee bass bounce, bumblebee bass bounce. Extra bass, make the ground talk loud.
My boots, soft on my green. Roll through the cut, let the day back in. Wide river road, hood up, windows down. I got the slow talk from a border town. Mama said, boy, keep your heart clean. So I keep it low, like a bag road dream. Hey now, feel that sweat. ankommen. Zu viel auf dem Herz, ich trag es im Rucksack. Jahrelang gefroren, heute brennt der Blutdruck. Mama sagt, bleib echt, Junge, ja kein Trugbild. Doch ich seh die Zahlen steigen, das ist was die Wut will. Die Straße war mein Lehrer, jede Narbe wie ein Siegel. Kalt wie Januar im Flur, doch mein Blick bleibt Spiegel. Tiefer Tritt in den Magen, Bruder, jeder Schlag sitzt fest. Keiner hat gefragt, wie's geht, doch sie fragen jetzt, wie man's macht. Kalter Blick, rote Augen, ich hab alles selbst gesetzt. Tiefer Tritt in den Boden, bis mein Name oben klebt. Alle reden groß, ich schraub an der Zukunft. Keine Pause, Augen rot von der Flucht kurz. Was für Glück, ich hab Nächte gezählt, jede Stunde durchgeackert, jeder Sinn von mir gewählt. Ich war pleite, ich war einsam, heute stapel ich mein Einklang. Doch vergiss nicht, wo ich herkomm, jede Ecke ist mein Stammbaum. Tiefer Tritt in den Magen, Bruder, jeder Schlag sitzt fest. Keiner hat gefragt, wie's geht, doch sie fragen jetzt, wie man. Cold air, sharp breath. Yeah. 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 Hood up, slide past, blue tape. 2 feds by the off, license door. Mum text, ring me when you say. I text back, then I hit ignore. Council flat, lift smells like smoke. Old man on the 3rd floor broke, cause he lost that job last week. Now he sells cheap rum by the old phone booth. I got links in a crap screen phone. Whole street in a chat one tone. If it rings, then I'm out that home. Trainers muddy, but the mind's full grown. This that midnight slip, heartbeat shit like the underground train. Got pain in the veins, but we pray. Tryna turn rain to a payday. This that midnight slip, block life, one wrong look, you'll pray. Still we laugh, still we chase, still we say we ain't built to fade, we're too brave. Yeah, yeah. Bust up glass, all spider web. Little bro draws tags on the bench. Dreams go far, but the line is thin.